wife.
Husband? Yes, husband.
Do you see the way I'm looking at you?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, you also look at me.
Get that mushroom.
Where did you get those eyes?
From my father.
They are good. I will like to be with those eyes, me too.
Really?
Yeah, I wish my daughter could have such lips. Would she take them?
Your daughter.
God have mercy upon us.
Yes, she'll take the eyes.
Even the lips, they are good. I like them. Even the dimples, they are good also. I think if you walk, you leave people masamaliriza. You walk, you leave people masamaliriza.
Do you speak English?
It's English word masamaliriza.
Masamalira is an English word.
Just from that side of France.
Eh?
No, some.
What is that cafe?
Which thing?
Kawanu.
Which thing? This kawanu. It's called the spot, the black spot.
The black spot.
Yes.
It makes you beautiful. You look so wow.
It makes me wow.
It's a decoration, not a decoration. You look so wow.
Really?
Whenever I look at you, I say wow. I get a beautiful girl.
What? Ogambechi?
Can it happen?
Yeah.
So kaviri kenakoledetse wakalabe.
No.
The kaheya.
That's why I have said everything on you is marvelous.
We are summer.
On my
Yes, husband.
on my food,
Yes, husband.
I love you so much. No.
And that is a miracle.
Kizan.